Hi there and welcome back. So today we are going to do a very exciting exercise. We are going to create vision boards and I'm going to share with you how to create a vision board on Canva. It'll just take you some 10 to 15 minutes and I like creating vision boards on Canva because they are hassle free, they are really quick to make, and you just don't need to look out for magazines, craft paper, artwork, things around, and you can just simply get started. And even if you want to craft your own vision board, by cutting pictures and all that, you can still make a vision board on Canva digitally, get it printed, and then cut the pictures that you like, and then paste them on a chart paper and get really creative with your vision board. So either way, creating vision board on Canva will really get you quickly started on your vision for life. All right. And if you do not have a vision for life, you can access my previous videos on how you can have a vision for life. I have created one or two videos on that. And in my next video, I'll be uploading a visioneering exercise, sort of a meditative exercise that will lead you to having a vision for life for next 1 year, 3 years, or 5 years. Okay, so you can also look into that visioneering exercise and consider subscribing my channel so that when I upload that video, you're aware of it. All right, so let's get started. I'm going to share my screen with you so that you are crystal clear on how you can do that on Canva. Okay, so you need to go to the browser, all right, and you need to type canva.com. And either you can make a guest login or you can create your own account and start creating your vision board. And in the search bar, you need to type vision boards, vision board. I will be really surprised by the number of templates they have. They're all really very exciting, very powerful, and you can choose from the template. Just one thing you need to keep in mind is that do not pick the vision boards that have this crown icon on them. These are the templates for pro members. All right. And if you choose them, when you're attempting to download the vision board, you will get a message saying that to download them, you need to subscribe, you need to become a pro member. All right. And it's a paid membership. So in order to be able to download the vision board, choose free templates. All right. So like this one, this has no icon. You can choose this one. You can choose the landscape version, the portrait version. These have no pro icons on them. This one, make it happen. This has some text templates on that. So just browse through and pick one that resonates with you quickly. All right. And the main thing is to get started and not keep on looking for the perfect vision board, but the main thing is to get started. You can always go back and create another one next month, and you can always refine it. So I kind of like this template today. I will pick this one. You can see there is no pro on this, so choose this, customize this template. I have chosen this one, and I'm going to quickly show you how you can utilize the Canva resources. And if you do not find a picture that you like, you can also go on to Google, and how you can download that picture and upload it here. I'm going to show you everything. All right, so let's see. You can see this couple photo, and this is a great photo to have on vision board if you're looking, to attract a soulmate, or if you're looking for a partner, and even if you're looking to have a wonderful relationship with your spouse. Okay, so let me give you an example. I want to travel to Paris with my partner and have a romantic candlelit dinner with him. So I'm going to choose Paris, look for some pictures. And I forgot to tell you one thing, that you need to click on elements before and then go to the search bar and then type Paris, because here is where the pictures will upload. All right. So remember to go to the elements, click on Paris, enter, and then click here on photos. Okay, so you will have all. If you click on all, you will be able to see everything: photos, graphics, videos, right? You can see how different the graphics are than the real pictures. And this is what I like, so I will choose this photograph. Again, remember to choose a free picture here and not the picture that has a pro icon, because once you click on download, you will be able to download the full file, the full vision board JPEG file. So I have clicked this picture because it's free. If it was not free, I'll show you what to do then. So let's store it. Where did it go? Yeah. So, okay. So again, you can press Control Z if it goes into another slot, and if you don't like that slot, I will press Ctrl Z. Okay, I can enlarge it and decrease the size, and I want this to be somewhere here. Okay, and I will just write the text as uh, candle light candlelight dinner. Okay, and if you want, you can even type candle lights. Oh, sorry for the typo. Candle lights, and see, this is so beautiful. I will click on this one. Yeah, I can pick this one, and I can even put this here, to help me feel the feelings. Okay, like that. Or candlelight dinner. Let's see if I find one photograph here. Look, so this is what I wanted. If I select this picture as a free member, you will see these crosses here and you will not be able to download. So let me press Ctrl Z and find a picture which is free. Let me see if I am able to find a picture which is free. This one is free. Yeah, this works for me. And I have got this one here. You can also select, and press shift and deselect the ones that you don't need and move the text wherever you want if it's coming on top of something. So I have just moved it here, and I'll kind of reduce the size of it and play around with this text. And then this picture, this works for me because I want to have a clear focused mind. I want to be peaceful and calm. So I will let this picture be here, and I will just add a text over here saying clear mind, peaceful. So this works for me. All I need to do is just enlarge the size, and you can enlarge the size here. Okay, from here. And now I'm going to show you, if you are not able to find a picture which is free and you need it, let me think of something. So go to Google. Google. And just type something that you want to find, like let's say healthy meal. Okay, healthy meal. Like if you are looking forward to get more fit, eat more healthy meals, and you have a healthy meal picture on your vision board, the more you see it, the more you want to eat it. Just like, in the marketing ads, we see pizzas and burgers, the more we see it, we want to eat it, right? We get programmed to eat it. Similarly, if we have a healthy meal, a picture of a meal that you actually like, that also can be there, or a picture of any healthy meal. To get started, you can put it on your vision board, look at it, and get primed to eat it. You can also Google some pictures that you like eating. So for me, I like eating kidney beans, that is rajma. I can Google that, and I can put that here. Okay, just this. Okay, so if I can save this, or let me see if I can copy it directly. Copy image, and I will just try to paste it, and it can get pasted in the Canva just like that. I'll show you again. You can click the right click button on the mouse, copy image, and you can go to the Canva and like Control V. You can even paste it. You can use Control V to paste it, or Command V to paste it if you're doing it in Mac. And now you can put this picture here, and you can say, I am fit and healthy. I'm fit and healthy. This is what you can put here. All right. And, you can also write things like, I will show you how to put a new text. So click on text, choose heading, and you can type toned body or toned abs. You can type this. You can reduce the size and click here. So whenever you see the dish, you think of toned abs and you get primed to eat this over and over again. Similarly, you can put other foods, and you can even create a different vision board, a separate vision board just for your health and fitness, for your physical attributes, for your body. and you can do that, right? Because see, anyways we are thinking negative thoughts, right? And when we start thinking, having a good body, having good physical attributes, we think that we are doing something wrong. But we do not understand this, that even thinking wrong thoughts or negative thoughts for us is just not the right thing to do, right? So there is nothing wrong about thinking to, you know become slimmer, or there is nothing wrong about thinking good and nice thoughts about how your body can look. It's not about, rejecting what you have, but it's about wanting what you want, honoring what you want from a place of acceptance of who you are right now. Okay, that's a very beautiful thing to do. Okay, so you can change the color of the text from here so it's more visible. Similarly, you can add different pictures for different areas of your life, and now I will show you, if you're not able to copy paste, how you can uh, upload the picture. A woman working out in gym. So I'll pick one, this one. I like this one, and I'll show you how to, so you can type save image as, and you can type it as gym workout, name the file. Okay, and now you need to go to Canva and go to uploads, upload files, search the file, look out for the file, open it, and you will see it coming here. All you need to do is now click on this and it will be right here on your vision board. Choose a slot for this. Let me choose one slot for this over here. Okay, I hope you can see it. I will remove this, deselect everything. If you feel the template is a little cluttered, you can even remove some of the slots, and that is fine. So I'll just move this here. Okay, so I think if I remove this, let me see what happens if I remove this, right? I will remove the frame also, and I can shift this flower and increase this picture, and that works for me. Okay, and I will put a text here, something like, let me also resize this. You can do this, okay? You can play around. So what it is for me, uh like, I want to see myself working out in the gym today or at home. So I'll put, I am working out. I'm working out. Okay, I am happily working out. Okay, and now let me show you how to download the file. So you need to find the share button and then find the download button, and then look for the PNG, that's the suggested, or you can even choose JPEG. Okay, so choose PNG and click on download. You will see that the file is getting downloaded on your device, and there it is. You can open this file, and there you are. This is your vision board file. So now you can save this file as your laptop background on your phone. You can also get it printed. Let me show you how Canva supports printing. So print on Canva. Can you see this print on Canva? I have done this before, and you can select the different options how you want this to be printed. They shipped me the print, and it was nicely packed. It was not damaged. It was really good. You can do that, or you can even download the file and take it to get it printed. You can get it printed in a smaller size to use for a daily to-do list or in your planner, or you can, punch it and put it in your planner. You can use it in multiple ways and in multiple places, and that's why I like this digital creation of vision board on Canva. So let me stop sharing my screen and talk to you guys. So that's how you create a vision board on Canva. Hope you like this video and consider subscribing to the channel and sharing it with many others. I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.